Meet Stanley, the starving silverfish, the Michelangelo of munching. Stanley just polished off an entire picture, frame and all, leaving behind nothing but the sad, empty wooden outline. Somebody's memories, gone. Stanley's belly, full. But now, Stanley's got a new mission. He's parched and desperate for water. Sitting smugly on the frame, Stanley contemplates his life choices before setting off on a dramatic quest. He scuttles straight into a shiny, metallic water sink, convinced he's hit the jackpot.
Yes!
But wait, there's no water. Undeterred, Stanley starts pacing like a detective in a mystery movie, searching for clues, realizing his due. He does what any self-respecting silverfish would do. He tries to swim in the bone-dry sink. His tiny legs flail wildly as if he's auditioning for a water ballet. The video ends with Stanley, the ultimate drama bug, flopping around like he's in the finale of a silverfish soap opera. Oh, Stanley, stay thirsty, my friend.